My name is Anthony Garcia Sr. of the BirdSeed Collective. We are here at Denver House Center with my new sculpture called Moving Forward. The title Moving Forward and the way that we built the piece is supposed to remind people about constant movement and just having a brighter outlook on life with the way that it's shaped and the playfulness of the way that's built. It's built strong enough for people to sit on it or to stand on it, but it's also a piece of artwork to just admire, so a little bit of both. A lot of my pieces often resemble the serape blanket, which is the southwestern Mexican style blanket. It took about 15 months to build it and 2 months to paint it, and then about a month to get it rigged up and ready to install. We were able to complete this piece with the help of our fabricators at Silo Workshop. They did a great job on helping me make my vision become this big piece that you see in front of us.